RSX, baby. Type S. It'll smoke anybody. Give her a little rev. Yeah. It's got 16 horsepower. But it has something the other car doesn't. Nitrous oxide, baby. And VTEC. Well, the other one has VTEC too. But this one has nuts. Even got this is really hurting my ass, dude. Oh my god, we're going so fast. My leg's off the ground! Ah! That's what I'm holding on with. Look at them RPM. This thing's going up my ass. It hurts really bad. Oh! Oh my god, that hurt.
This thing is so fast, no one can catch me. Check this out. Hey! No fear! How you doing, big boy?